Good morning, peeps. Welcome back to the vlog. So today we're gonna meet up with the crew, just hanging out, do some go-karting, axe throwing. I think a little photo shoot this morning, but that's pretty much about it for today. Tomorrow I'm gonna do a bunch of maintenance on this car, so that's gonna be on the next video for you guys to see. I'll talk about more about it on the next video. But yeah, just getting ready to meet the crew. The car is extremely dirty. It did rain a little bit, so once we get there we're gonna wipe everything down, and yeah. Oh, it's so cold. Got my hoodie on and I got a jacket on. Let's see how many times it's gonna take us to start this car today. Ooh, that's almost start. Oh, only take us twice. It was like 4 times the other day because it was so cold. But yeah, I think this will be the last tank for E85. It's getting colder. I'm barely gonna drive this. I have a new vehicle coming to the channel soon. I'll let you guys know more about it when the times come. So pretty much it's gonna be my daily. It's not gonna be another car like this. It pretty much is my daily. So I won't be driving this as much through the winter. I mean, I think I'm gonna drive it a lot still, but anyways, you don't want to leave it on E85 while you're not driving it often. Like if you don't daily it, you shouldn't have it. So yeah, I'm gonna switch it back to 93, and yeah, we'll go from there. So that's about it. But yeah, we're just gonna wait for the car to warm up and then head over to the spot and wipe down the car. I think we're gonna start with the photo shoot first. Shit, I thought I was gonna be the first one here. Squirrel and Jason's already here. Gotta clean the car. Ooh, so dirty. So first look for you guys. This is Squirrel's new Audi. Look at these new wheels he got. Oh god. I know you guys seen the Audi before, but he just got this PPF, like a matte PPF on his white. So it looks like a matte white now. Ooh, looks so nice. KLC did this, so Dave did a great job on it. So yeah, very nice. Whew, especially with these wheels.
Hey sir, what are you doing?
Hey, what's up, man? I thought I was gonna be early, but you guys are way too early.
Sir, it's 8:19.
You said 9 o'clock.
It's not even cold.
I'm cold.
I mean, you're prior military, bro.
I was probably military.
If you're not early, you're not on time.
Gio and Grant is gonna meet us over there.
Alright, later.
So we decided to move the car over here. Well, this is where we're supposed to meet the rest of the guys anyways. I don't know what, not that Audi, but yeah, just gotta wipe the car down real quick. Whoosh. Woo, so glad I got my clean speed. That doesn't sound too bad. But these are dirty. Oh, I need to wash these. But we ain't using these rags. Using these new ones over here. 2. I think that's all I need. Pretty much 2. 1, 2, and I love these things. I'm gonna do the wheels later, but yeah. No, it's drizzling, but whatever. Look at this. I haven't cleaned it. You know, as soon as I cleaned it like last week, this is what happened the next day, and I just left it. So it's been like that for a week. So, spray. I'm not gonna show you guys the whole thing, but you guys already seen so many of my cleaning videos. Wipe down. Ew. Let's get this nasty things out. Ooh. Get out of my towel. Then I gotta flip the towel around and use the dirty side. Look how clean it looks now. Ooh. Just a night and day difference. So this is exactly what happened if I want to clean my car. The sun's completely out, but it decided to keep drizzling. Look at this. I just got done wiping it down dry. This is so annoying. Go away. Hurry up, come back out. But anyways, I want to show you guys the wheels over here, the difference between the dirty and clean wheels. So this is the dirty ones, right? We see it really well, but look how dirty that is. Whew. And then you go over this side, and look at that. Big difference, huh? See the shine. But yeah, so pretty much what I do is I just spray it down a little bit and then wipe it with a dirty rag. Technically you don't even have to spray it down, but I'm so used to doing it. So yeah, just a couple sprays here. There it is. And then get a dirty rag and then watch you see the difference. Look at that. Look at that. Big difference, huh? But yeah, love the ceramic coating, man. It just keeps the wheels so clean, you know. But yeah, I hope stop drizzling soon so I can dry out my car. I quit. It won't stop. I mean, the sun is out. The damn freaking rain won't stop. So I'm just waiting for it to dry. This is just whatever. But Gio's here with his WRX. Then Grant with his STI. Obviously the Raptor there belongs to Dan. Jason on Dan over there. Squirrel with the Audi. But yeah, we're supposed to do a little photo shoot this morning when this cloud goes away. Is this the only spot raining?
Yes. Y'all picked the only spot that's raining.
Hey, they said that it's not raining across the street.
What do you want from me?
I don't know. Like I want to drive my car, but whew. Take a closer look at Gio's whip. Oh yeah. Look at this. I love the red lining he did. He did recently did this on the side skirts as well. Look at that. Almost looks like let me see, if you go to what was it, Airflow Dynamics, they have a set side skirt with the red stitching like this on it. Very nice. Amazing worked wheels. Carbon fiber everywhere. Carbon fiber wrap like Kiet did last time. Oh yeah, big one. I love this diffuser right here. Looks so nice. Grant just put this exhaust on his vehicle. Check out the titanium tips. What exhaust was this, Grant?
NVIDIA Q300.
What was it? I couldn't hear you.
NVIDIA Q300.
NVIDIA Q300. Is this a silent one, right?
It's sort of.
Oh.
When I get on it, it's loud.
It's so nice. It just looks way better than mine. Mine looks completely stock. I like a stock exhaust tip. Look at this. Woo. Very nice. Can't wait to see what Grant's gonna do to his STI in the near future. But obviously you remember the Raptor, and it's just whew, insane. I'm gonna get a better video for this car. I don't know too much about Audi, but I just want you guys to see the full feature of it inside and out and what he put in it. But he'll explain it more. Obviously I don't know too much. Oh yeah.
It was 6.
Alright, you just add this? Ooh.
When you have the car on.
Nice. Ooh. This looks so fancy, man, compared to my side lights. My side lights is so bland. Yeah, and I think it's yellow. Yellow. I need to change most of my LED to LEDs because even in my interiors is yellow.
Fire it up.
I love this seat right here. Ooh. Yeah, we need to get a full review on this car. He has so much done to it. It's on air ride as well.
It's dirty.
Yo, air it out for me real quick. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Good job, Gio. Good job.
I haven't driven it for like a week. A week and a half.
I've been driving this for a week, but it's just drive to work and just park there.
Yeah.
But I really love this vent, man. This vent is fucking beautiful. I love it, and it's functional.
Yeah.
You know?
Does the rain mess it up at all?
Huh?
When you drive it in the rain, does it mess it
Nah,
up?
nah.
Jesus.
Nope. So we scored what he did to his Audi. Ooh. I want to see that carbon fiber intake.
Yeah. Oh yeah, they have a new one. Yeah. You might want to stop that. It's pretty. It looks like I got Home Depot.
It is.
Yeah, they just like spent some fence posts. Like, you know, we're out of money on this one.
The car, waiting for the squad to pull out. We're gonna head over yonder, that way, and take some photos before we head to go-karting. Just, you know, rev in the storm. I'm a rev too.
I don't have a rev limiter.
Why does that sound so nice? All right, you're gonna hear mine now. Let me hear it. That's why we started our own. It's called Super Squad Nights, or early ass fucking morning.
Yeah, why are we here so goddamn early?
It's because they want to take the picture where the sun's rising up. Sorta. I don't know, we missed it yet. Big old truck. Go ahead, go. Watch out. Be the last one. Looks so nice. Oh, I want some Chick-fil-A this morning. Oh. We should stop at Chick-fil-A, guys. I don't know if they hear me. Of course they didn't hear me. Chick-fil-A. I'm not even sure what's the whole point of cleaning my car today. The rain just keep coming. They're gonna take a picture of the white cars first. Oh, let me get out. You know where I'm sitting here. Oh! I'm gonna line up Dan's truck and then Gio and Squirrel on each side. I think Squirrel should run his STI. He likes his Audi now. STI is retired for the winter. Me and Grant's just gonna hang out here. Setting up. These wheels, man. Woo.
He need his ass to end up in one.
Yeah, he will.
You're probably on the other side, Gio.
That works kind of good.
Nobody likes us, Grant. Technically, we do have Christmas color. You're right. I didn't even think of that.
That Chick-fil-A over there looks really good though.
Yo, I said that on the way here. I was like, yo, look at that Chick-fil-A. Me too, man. I'm hungry.
Stop it, you're not in the Subi.
I know, right?
Have some class.
Ooh, that's nice.
Yo, you need a jet in the back.
You need what?
Yo, buy one. It's already recording. You just
What am I doing with it?
hold it, I guess. You can hold it like here. Put your.
I've held a can
All right,
before.
cool,
Thank
cool.
you.
Just saying.
Damn!
Work it. Oh, there it is. Okay, there we go.
Alright, so I'm gonna have you guys push out. And then tuck
What's
in,
up, guys? I'm Locke.
A little bit.
That's Locke.
Hey.
We're on
Thanks for coming to the vlog.
Yeah, you guys are gonna be outside almost the same,
Put that on the vlog.
the same angle.
I'm not gonna edit that.
Have a nice day.
I'll believe it.
Yeah. What do you think we should be more on this side? So you don't get this bullshit? Or you like it?
What am I doing?
So shifting it? Yeah, you're right. So like, come this way more.
Ooh, son. Look at it. All majestic and shit in here.
Stop it!
Subi boys making pipes. Got lock all kinds of unusable footage on this thing. Uh-oh. Here comes the Starbucks crowd. Wee wee. I bet a girl named Karen drives that.
So you got Coca-Cola?
Good, because I've been talking shit the whole time.
Get a white truck with red wheels on it.
I thought about doing it. I thought about swapping, yeah.
If you buy one, just powder coat this one. Then get the one you want.
With it. I like it.
All right, let me get this for the thumbnail.
This is your fearless leader.
That's my shot!
I can't even see you.
I know, right?
It's somewhere behind there, camouflage.
I'm getting wet.
We should all go in the back of Dan's truck. We got Jason just being a VIP in the back there. Alright peeps, so we did some rollers. I'll put some pics of the rollers once I get it, either this video or the next video. But right now we're going to be heading to the go-kart. What's up?
When you're done, can you go to Cracker Barrel, reserve a table?
We eating at Cracker Barrel?
Yeah.
Oh man,
Why?
I thought we going somewhere for lunch, like Bar Taco.
Bar taco? Dude, it's fucking 10 o'clock. I mean, I don't care. They don't open till like another hour.
All right, let's get Cracker Barrel. All right, so we're gonna go to pretty much Cracker Barrel, go-karting, Axe,
Yeah.
then head home. Pretty much, yeah. We're in a squirrel. Autoblog. I had to do a little bit of go-karting. I went here before. This indoor track is pretty cool. But I haven't done this in about a year. So let's see. I forgot to bring my helmet as well. So yeah. They also have axe throwing. Autoblog.
And then whoever hasn't been here, make a new account and let's give you Junior Racers, Sunny Connor, Zachary, Austin, to the briefing area.
I look like a ninja now. Woo! Yo, Grant. Like a ninja, bro. Woo! Yeah, boy. Waiting for Squirrel. I don't think he's gonna do a ride though, but. You know, smoke check me today?
Alright, so if you guys are in the next race, you guys go ahead.
Alright, so I did my first race, and yeah, not that good. Dan and Grant is going again over there. Number 12, and Grant's right behind them. So yeah, let's see when they. Yeah, I don't know where Squirrel's at. So, there we go.
Alright, so one racer is first call race number 75. Can I please get Lee, Nora, Scott, Dan, Grant, Brooke, Dennis, and Eddie in the regional page? First call race number 75.
Why are you being so aggressive, bro? I don't know what. Why are you being so aggressive out there, Dan?
Trying to get through traffic, my man. It's a winning time slip.
What happened?
Take that, I'll sign it later for you.
Get out of here.
All right, peeps. So yeah, that's it for the go-karting. I only did 1 round. These guys did 3. Yeah, it's not good to eat and then go-karting. It's not really good for my stomach. Don't settle well. They have an axe throwing place in here. We're actually waiting on a squirrel to get here. He went to drop off Jason. Not here yet. Car looking like Christmas over here. All right, so we didn't do the axe throwing because it was a long wait. Head back to where we was at this morning. Meet up with my little brother over there because he works at an ice cream spot and get some ice cream. Just realized it's Christmas color, guys. Look at that Christmas ornament.
Sorry.
Ooh, so nice. Huh? What are you doing, Hope? Huh? Get in the vlog.
I don't want to get in the vlog.
Are you too ugly for the vlog? I might get the other ice cream. But you got any lactose? Poptastic. Oh no, fantastic.
So he says vegan restaurant has vegetables in it.
Let me get
It's just made with water.
I'll get the pistachio one here then. Yeah, just give me this. No, I don't want anything else. There it is. Ice cream all day. Ooh. Pistachio. You could do toppings too, but I don't like it. Pretty good. Brah.
This one basically like vanilla and oil.
Where is the love?
What do you got?
I got a vegan,
Look like a watermelon.
vegan watermelon and lime.
Nice. I got pistachio. I already did it. You got Dan?
S'mores with caramel.
What you got?
Rich chocolate.
Ooh, just normal chocolate. I like pistachio. I don't know, like this thing.
We need to take fucking Grant to Bar Taco one of these days.
Yeah, our taco's good. Grant, you should come too, man. All right, peeps. So that's it. Got some ice cream. Hang out with the boys today. Did some lap or 2 at Autobahn, and then got some breakfast. What else? A little photo shoot today. But that's it. I'll see you next time on the vlog. Peace.